Namaste, myself Triveni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we are going to discuss about garden ergonomics. What is ergonomic? Ergonomic looks at how to do a task in the safest and most efficient way. It looks at designing tools, machineries and anything else involved in a task to fit how a person naturally moves their body. A person movement is looked at so using tools and completing the task have as little physical impact on the body as possible. In general, ergonomics look at the matching the physical demands of a task with the capabilities of the person doing the task. This match is important because it can lower the risk of injury for the person doing the task, improves person's work efficiency and increases the person's satisfaction in doing the task. More specifically, for gardening, ergonomics focuses on choosing the right tool for a particular core and choosing the tool that best fits the gardener. You know you have picked the right tool for the job when you do not have to adapt the tool. The tool fits you well when it feels comfortable and natural when using, as it matches your height or fits your grip. Ergonomics refer to do gardening chores in the safest way possible while lessening the physical impact to your back, knees, wrists, arms and hands. So some considerations regarding ergonomics are keeping good posture, that is keeping your back straight is a quick and easy way to lessen stress on your tendons and joints. Injuries can be prevented by reducing this stress. Keeping good posture also decreases muscle pain and fatigue. Keeping your back straight is easier if you use long handled tools and handle extenders such as hoes, rakes and brooms. Keeping your back straight helps the nerves in your back from stretching and stressing your spine. Long-handled tools should be as tall as taller than you. This lets you stand straight. Grasp the handle with both hands, thumb up and bend your knees to move the tool sideways. Bend your knees, not your back. It also helps to carry boxes and bags from the bottom, not by their tops or handles. Lift the object by holding its bottom and straighten your knees while in the bent position. This keeps your back straight when you stand up. When working close to the ground, as when you are reading, kneel with one knee, not both. Kneeling on both knees can cause you to round your back. You can keep your back straight by kneeling only on one knee. Whether you garden by sitting or kneeling, bend forward from your hip. This helps keep your back straight and your back from rounding. Tools with built-up cushion grips or grip handles that clamp onto a standard tool make handles larger and easier to hold. These handles lessen the impact that work has on your hands and wrists. This in turn makes you feel less strain, stress and pain. Cushion grips and grip handles prevent wrist from bending forward or being pushed toward one side. This can cause loss of grip strength and can hurt your joints. Repetitive motion injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome could develop. You can adapt long-handled tools to work for you in a sitting position. Place a triangle block of 4 into 4 into 1 inches lumber on the ground with the tool propped up over it. The wood supports the weight of the tool, so your energy is used to move the tool. Your energy is not wasted in holding, directing or lifting the tool. Since the wood supports the weight of the tool, there is less stress on your wrist, upper arm and shoulders. Stay healthy. Your chances of injury are reduced because ergonomic tools are designed to fit your natural body positions. The tools force you to work in a good posture without extreme leaning or twisting. Since ergonomic tools do not require you to lose a lot of force, you reduce the chance of back and shoulder injuries. You are also less likely to develop repetitive stress injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome. Do more in less time. Remember, do more in less time. Ergonomic tools are designed to be efficient. You can complete more in the same amount of time as it takes to do course with non-ergonomic tools. Since ergonomic tools force you to keep you good posture, you will not tire out as quickly. Example, you can dig more and trim higher. Increase your capabilities. The basics of ergonomics is to keep you using the tool in a natural position. This increases efficiency because your power in doing the task is transferred through forward motion. You do not lose power to bending and twisting. Example, grip strength is at its highest when wrist is straight. Testing has shown that people lose up to 25% of their grip strength when their wrist is bent. It is also dangerous to your wrist while gardening. This irritates the tendons in your wrist and hands. Now, what to look for in ergonomic tools? There are two main positions gardeners are in when gardening. Gardeners are either standing or kneeling. First, we are looking towards kneeling position of gardener. Handle shape and gripping surface are the two most important parts of ergonomic tools while kneeling. Look for a handle that can support the tool and be user-friendly to your hands, wrist and forearm. Make sure the handle can support a two-handed grip as some jobs require the use of both hands. The handle's grip should be soft but firm and thick enough to be comfortable. Also look for non-slip grip and weatherproof material. Buy hand tools that fit your hand. There are many different designs. Try them all out to decide which fits you the best. Hand tools, the loop end handle, swivel grips and ratchet gear are easier to squeeze and take less effort to use. Ergonomic hand tools are designed with a handle that keep your wrist straight. This reduces stress on your wrist. Some ergonomically designed hand tools also have forearm braces that makes your arm do the work. This also reduces stress on your wrist. This support helps prevent muscle and joint fatigue for the gardener. The gardener will be able to garden for longer periods of time and more comfortably. Next position is standing. The tools, handle and foot surfaces are the important parts of ergonomic tools while standing. Ultimately, you are looking for a handle that lets your hand, arm and legs work together. This gives maximum leverage with the least amount of effort. You are also looking for a handle grip that is soft but firm and thick enough to be comfortable. Also, look for non-slip grips and weatherproof materials. For tools that you use your feet to do the work, like a shawl, make sure the tool has a comfort zone for foot safety. This zone should position your foot directly over the tool head. Now, there are some general rules of thumb when selecting ergonomic tools for gardening. These are: find the right grip, use tools with long handles, choose the tool with the lightest weight possible, keep your back and joints straight, which lessens the risk of repetitive stress injury, use tools with grips that are soft and non-slip, wear ergonomic work gloves. Gloves offer support and warmth for sore and arthritic hands. You will have a better grip when wearing comfortable, properly sized gloves with textured grip. Wearing gloves also helps prevent blisters. Thank you.